Amanda is fed up. She has a hidden water leak in her home and it's a real nuisance. A leak on a heating system is leaving her cold and with no hot water. It's causing damage to her home. Having a hidden water leak, it's literally pouring her money down the drain. Traditional methods of finding a leak have just caused more damage and expense, lifting floors trying to find the leaking pipe. There must be a better way. Fortunately, there is. She called UK Leak Detection for their non-invasive service to locate the leak without damaging her home. UK Leak Detection service is normally carried out on a no-find, no-fee basis and uses the latest technologies to locate leaks without causing damage to your home. These include thermal imaging, acoustic detection, trace gas detection, endoscope cameras, moisture mapping, water sampling. This allows UK Leak Detection to locate leaks without all the damage and upheaval caused by destructive methods. We can then arrange access where it's needed and liaise with insurance to cover the cost of not only the damage, but normally our fee as well. So let us take the stress away from dealing with your leak by calling us now on 0800 228 9000 or visit www.ukleakdetection.co.uk.